Hello guys, welcome to today's episode, and in today's tutorial we'll be looking at how to make use of the sorted function. This will be a very short, a brief video. And so this is used to sort of restructure your list or sort out the list either in ascending or descending order. So let's create a list. Let me paste in this list. So we have a list of strings, and we want to just arrange them in alphabetical order, either ascending or descending. So the first option, let's say, we make use of the just sorted as a function, and then we pass the variable that's a into it. So now, because I'm on my editor, I just want to print out. We can also save this as a new variable though. So now if I run this, I have my data sorted out in alphabetical order. So it restructures the data and places them in alphabetical order. If I want to reverse it, have them in a descending order, all I need to do is to pass into the sorted a reverse argument and then set that reverse argument to true. That means it should be in a descending order in the reverse order. And that's what we have. Okay. Since true or false can also be marked as zeros and ones. If I need a true, it's the same as one, and a false is zero. So if in place of true, I just used one, it would still be in the reversed order, and with zero, it will be in the normal increasing order. All right, so that's all for today's section. It's a very brief video, like I said, and this will come in very handy, especially when you're working with multiple files and after collecting them all, you want to sort them out and then work on your data in the particular sequential order. So I believe you had an amazing time joining in. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and then click the notification bell so that you're always posted when we have a new update. If you have a question or a comment, just leave it in the comment box and then the team would address it. And like we always say, do have an amazing time and then pursue and continue to be the best when it comes to programming. Do have an amazing day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.